In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to your list on Mailchimp easily and efficiently. Sending an email campaign is a must-have skill for anyone looking to engage effectively with their audience, and with Mailchimp, it becomes a straightforward process. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide to getting your email campaign up and running. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you manage your different campaigns and lists. From the dashboard, you want to click on the Create button. This is your starting point for setting up a brand new campaign. Next, you'll be prompted to choose what kind of campaign you want to create. In this instance, go ahead and select Email under the Create a Campaign section. This will guide you into the pathway specifically designed for drafting and sending out emails. When given the choice of which type of email, opt for regular if you're planning to send out a standard email. This type is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or updates to your audience. It's now time to give your campaign a name. Think of something descriptive and specific like Newsletter March Edition. Naming your campaign helps you keep things organized, especially if you're handling numerous campaigns at once. Now click Add Recipients to determine who will receive your email. You'll need to select the audience or list to which you want to send the email. This is crucial because it ensures your message reaches the right people. You have the option to send it to your entire list or apply specific tags or segments for more targeted outreach. This flexibility allows you to tailor your message to different sections of your audience for better engagement. As you proceed, enter your from name and email address. These will appear as the sender details in the recipient's inbox, so make sure they're easily recognizable to your audience. Craft a subject line that's attention-grabbing and clear. A compelling subject line is your ticket to making sure your email gets opened. You may also want to add preview text, which gives recipients a sneak peek at the content of your email, enticing them even further to open it. Click Design Email to start customizing your email. Mailchimp offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface where you can add text, images, and buttons to make your email visually appealing and aligned with your branding. Once you're done designing, click on Preview to review your campaign. This is your opportunity to see how your email will look in a recipient's inbox. To catch any potential mistakes, use the Send Test Email feature. This allows you to send a draft to yourself or a colleague for review. Finally, when you're happy with everything, it's time to decide on sending. You have two options: click Schedule to send it at a later date and time, or hit Send Now to deliver it immediately. And with that, your email is on its way, engaging with your audience effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.